with different styles on the front face and also on the side with transparent, translucent and opaque filament. This is mesh face. Diamond sparkling effect here. Mesh face. This is a 3D printed map, Chinese map of China. We are located here, and we have a warehouse here, Guangdong province. We are in Hangzhou. These are all Chinese characters.